No, 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 no. Wait, 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 wait. Wait, 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 wait. Huh?
Oh my god. Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck, man?
哦，他们说白金会吓小孩，你说他会不会吓？
Huh? Good morning.
Hey, hi.
What the hell? Oh my god, no way, yeah, yeah.
They always said you should think twice. I don't even think once.
Да, это страшно, слышать, конечно, очень страшно.
眼睛呢？哦呦，哎呦，还凶我。
What the hell? Oh my god, no way, yeah, yeah.
Call USA in Phoenix to schedule your consultation with one of our agents.
What are you doing?
This motherfucker just ate my pizza.
This?
It's not that serious.
My cat is so sweet. He's literally just the sweetest little. Fuck you!
You're scaring me. Stop. Stop, please. No.
Stop, you're scaring me. You're scaring me.
Și să nu-i pliculești cu iepure, că mi s-a luat somon și vită, mai du-te și...
Ladies and gentlemen, her.
When people call you extra, just look them in their face and say, am I extra or are you basic?
Why is it quiet? How did you get up there? That is not a place dogs go. Don't.
У меня 5 кошек. 5 кошек это лучше, чем 1. Это в 5 раз больше тепла. Когда у тебя 5 кошек, твоя жизнь наполнена яркими красками. Тебе вообще не бывает одиноко. Это очень весело. Я не знаю, что бы я без них делала.
Cause she looking fabulous, she knows. Every single time the camera flash, she pose. Shawty told me that my songs ain't made a flow. Then I told her, can she drop it down on the floor?